Globe showing Europe, Africa, what will be the future value of one Pi when it reaches the global stage? The Pi network has been one of the most talked about digital projects in recent years. A cryptocurrency designed to be mined easily on mobile phones and accessible to everyone. As Pi moves closer to full mainnet and global exchange listings, one big question is echoing across the community. What will one Pi be worth when it reaches the global stage? Let's break this down clearly and realistically. Small Blue Diamond understanding Pi's vision. Pi's mission is to create the world's most inclusive peer-to-peer digital currency, usable for everyday transactions, from buying coffee to cross-border payments. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require expensive hardware, Pi aims to empower ordinary users to participate in blockchain technology. As Pi transitions from a closed mainnet, limited transactions within the Pi ecosystem, to an open network, the value of the coin will depend on how much real utility it gains and how widely it's accepted. Small Blue Diamond factors that will shape Pi's future value. Global adoption. The more people, merchants, and apps use Pi for real payments, the higher its demand and price will climb. If Pi integrates into e-commerce, gaming, and remittance sectors, it could see a major boost. Circulating supply. Pi has billions of coins mined during its early phase. The total circulating supply at launch will strongly affect its price. A smaller effective supply or gradual release strategy could help stabilize value. Exchange listings. Once Pi is officially listed on top exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, etc., its market accessibility and liquidity will expand dramatically. Community strength. With over 35 million pioneers, Pi's biggest asset is its community. The stronger and more engaged it remains, the more momentum Pi will have once it's tradable globally. Small Blue Diamond possible future value scenario global market cap. Estimate, approximate. Value of 1 Pi conservative adoption $5B is almost equal to $0.60 moderate growth $50B is almost equal to $6.00 high adoption /top. 10 crypto $500B is almost equal to $60.00 global currency level $1T is almost equal to $120. Values calculated using an estimated circulating supply of 8.3 billion Pi. These numbers are illustrative, not predictions. They simply show what Pi's price could be under different global adoption levels. Small Blue Diamond the road ahead. Pi's future value won't depend solely on hype or speculation. The real game changer will be its utility. How often people actually use Pi to pay, trade, and create value. If the Pi ecosystem develops strong apps, real partnerships, and smooth user experiences, its global price could rise significantly. However, crypto markets are unpredictable. Prices depend on market cycles, regulation, and investor sentiment. Therefore, while the dream of Pi becoming a globally recognized digital currency is alive, it's wise to approach with optimism and patience.